Greetings everyone. Today I am here to talk to you about cybersecurity and online privacy. In today's digital age, it's more important than ever to be aware of cybersecurity and online privacy. We are constantly exposed to a variety of threats and we must be vigilant in our efforts to protect ourselves. Cybersecurity is the practice of defending computers, networks, and data from malicious attacks. It involves a number of strategies and technologies to protect systems from threats such as viruses, malware, and unauthorized access. Online privacy is the right to keep your personal information private. This includes your name, address, financial information, and other sensitive data. When it comes to online privacy, it's important to be aware of the websites you use, the information you share, and the security measures you take to keep your data safe. The best way to protect yourself is to be proactive. You should always use strong passwords and two-factor authentication to keep your accounts secure. You should also be aware of the websites you visit and the information you share. Be sure to read the privacy policies of any websites you use and be sure to opt out of any data collection. Finally, it's important to stay up to date on the latest cybersecurity news. By staying informed, you can protect yourself from the latest threats and remain aware of any new developments in the cybersecurity landscape. Thank you for listening. I hope this information has been helpful in understanding the importance of cybersecurity and online privacy.